Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create a Workday account. So Workday is a platform many companies use to manage employee information, schedules, payroll, and other work-related tasks. So let's go through what you need to know. So when you open the Workday app for the first time, you'll notice that there is no sign up or create account button. Instead, you'll see options to enter or scan an organization ID. So find your organization ID or add an organization. So this means you cannot create a Workday account directly through the app by yourself. So to get a Workday account, you need to contact your company's HR department, IT department, or whoever is responsible for setting up employee accounts. They will provide the information that you need, such as an organization ID or a special sign up link that allows you to register your account. So once your company provides those details, you can open the Workday app, enter the organization ID, and follow the instructions to access your account. And after your information is verified, you can complete your profile and start using the Workday app. So if you're trying to create a Workday account and don't see a sign up option, that is completely normal. The account setup must be provided by your employer and they will guide you through the process. So thank you so much for watching. That is all for today. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next video.